The world was thrown into a state of shock and mourning on Saturday after news of the demise of Prophet T.B. Joshua, founder and general overseer of the Synagogue Church of All Nations, was announced. A lot of people have given different versions of the story and then what led to his death, the event that led to his death. But then his wife and also one of his sons from the school and the Synagogue Church of All Nations have been talking. They've been given detailed reports and detailed explanation to what really happened. So enye nkrofo mienu we na utia, then every other source our own information free, then it is false. Well, one of his sons at the Synagogue Church of All Nations has been speaking, as I said early on, and then one of the profound statements he made was that the death of T.B. Joshua marks the beginning of the trumpet sounding. What he has said in the Bible, we have been told that during the end time, trumpet is going to sound and all of those. And his son says that T.B. Joshua wono ama msisiana abeno babebon, because it happened on a Saturday. On a Sunday, people needed that occurrence to have a message, or that had to be a message for a lot of churches. And it was no surprise that a lot of churches, a lot of pastors used the death of T.B. Joshua in their sermons. Since nebano abekasa things so sana me di kan kan na hearing so abekasa bekwa kwhwe nebano video no den san bebre na na etu dwa na ansa na no mamemfa as da kese Emma 21st clinic say bra o maso ye bibians be kama ama obibi obi a nia se ebia siate campo na how adwen to me enye niam bi what you say afin so if you want local medicine papa pandia and MSL 21st clinic for us na also called 21st clinic say they got your back. What you say, they've been verified, they've been tried, and of course they've been tested. Let's go listen to the son of Prophet T.B. Joshua Abrana Okasa on Sunday now explaining what really happened and what led to the death of Prophet T.B. Joshua.
We did all night on Friday stroke, that's yesterday. After our all night here, I was not just myself. I sat down. I just sat down on the ground inside my room. I just sat down on the ground with Bible on my side. Then I took to Emmanuel TV. I was watching on live service while the choir were singing for him to come out, as he always do throughout this day. He pray for the sick, and it was later in the evening. He came out late in the evening, and he just walked in with a smile. And I look at him, and the medium they have to pull stain to, and I still continue watching, and the stain tool was there for up to about 5. Then before it came again and say, you people, you can hear me what I said. There will no longer be prayer line like this, but you will go to your house. I will pray for you in your house. I will pray for you interacting prayer on Zoom. And he collects the mic. I was watching. He collected the mic from the person who was holding the mic and put it on the first person's mouth. What did I say just now? He said, the power of God is more real even in distance. That will be receiving prayer at home now. We should stay at home. Number 2 person, that one also air his mind, and he get to this man That one also is mine. And it just hold the tree like this. And I follow, it just cough. Then it just walk away. He did not do any other prayer. He just walk away, and they gave anointing water to everybody that were there. That is how the short service, just short service, ended. When I heard the news this morning, I have to put a call across to the church there. To one of the elderly man that he have sent here some time ago to come and see me. And I put a call across. That one said, just last night. And after the meeting, he talked to everybody and just enter inside. That was all. My father, the chariots of Israel and the horsemen thereof. And he saw him no more. Elisha said, and he cried, my father, the chariots of Israel and the horsemen thereof. And he saw him no more. It's gone. Let me tell you what the Lord said to me. The Lord said to me, I am about to sound my trumpet. For some time now, I am be preaching to you people. The Lord is about to sound his trumpet. And the trumpet is about to sound. What you have never seen before, if it happen. When you talk about a man that is known all over the whole world, you see, anywhere you mention him, nobody that does not know. The trumpet is about to sound. The issue now, are you ready? This one just happened on Saturday, so that on Sunday today it can become a message in every church. That whosoever that hear, it can become a message that the trumpet is about to sound. The issue now, are you ready? The few people that was on that service yesterday had the privilege to see him for the last time. I keep on telling you people here that the day it will happen, Jesus will not write a letter. He said, when you shall begin to see all these things coming to pass, then you will know that the end is about to come. As you are still standing all over the world with a honor to God's general, senior prophet TB Joshua, a man that served God with the whole of his heart, a man will look as a father, as a role model, a prophet that says something and it comes to pass. The mouthpiece of God.
Okay, so that was the explanation. That was a detailed explanation from her son right there on that very Sunday. I think the wife and so Eden Sembebrina Abetudra, and then a lot of people were really surprised because this is the widow what he has here, and then a lot of people wanted to console her, but then she's been consoling the rest of the world and says that who watches the watchman, who consoles the. Do you have something like the consoler? Okay, because I know consoler again part. Well, whatever. The widow has been consoling the rest of the world, and then she shared a message on social media, and then let me read it quickly before the explanation now on my end. Or say losing a loved one is never easy, whether sudden or for sin. It's always heartbreaking. Grief can wreak havoc on our overall well-being. That's why it's important to stay rooted to the Almighty. Only He can lessen our heartache and comfort us in these times. Seek refuge in Him. So this was the message she shared with the rest of the world as a form of consolation, not only to herself but then to each and every one. Now it's quite surprised and so baby no be akacha say on name TB Joshua, because we heard of TB Joshua when we were very young. So a lot of people know about TB Joshua, India, a lot of international people know TB Joshua because it's an international manuati. I said the Synagogue Church of All Nations and yeah, Ashereketua, our president, late president, Professor John Evans. I tell me, simple, not TB Joshua, and a spiritual father. So see how they make their souls rest in perfect peace. Professor Mills passed on in July 2012, and I think so. In June 2021, TB Joshua has gone to be with the Lord. Now, Professor Evans, I tell me, also, Rebecca, TB Joshua, Rebecca said, I'm here with the Lord. So it seems the Professor Atamios TB Joshua, they are both in the bosom of the Father. Now the wife no Eden Sembebre na Ebetuja Brana Okase. TB Joshua was okay. He preached a message, and then one of the things he said in this message, people should watch and pray. People should be very vigilant. People shouldn't take a lot of things for granted. I think so. The COVID situation what India and TB Joshua had a prayer line for some of the Indians and or bonfire among. Now in some period or some kind of say say TB Joshua could say or quack or relax or quack or rest after quite some time no and or call inside say or share a dear TB Joshua actually inside no actually inside or say or call you know I say obia or yeah unconscious ebia or reflective or bibisa what you say so she called some of the disciples on mobile, you know, they tried to get him back to life, but then he had gone to be with the Father. Or see, he died peacefully. What he has here, he died resting in his chair. He died very peacefully. He died a peaceful death. I don't know how many of us humans can even die a peaceful death. And then at the end said TB Joshua has left a legacy, and then he's left a void. I better take a long time and son Obi to me. I feel it's a void. We may his soul rest in perfect peace. I don't know the kind of prophet or what we are saying more the controversies in the home and also saying TB Joshua ebia only mo be catch him, but me since growing up 28 to almost 29 years on planet Earth maintains so for be our controversies more than TB Joshua. But at the end of the day, the world will remember him for his philanthropy. It was a great philanthropist that near maybe na onfen near grow crab. But then what can we say? We are human and Yankopon near Yamanema and once again we extend our deepest condolences to the family of TB Joshua. It was for a Ghana page and me jamo. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, of course, on YouTube, Ghana page. Follow us across social media. Facebook at GHP News, Instagram so at GHP News, Twitter at GHpage_com. Over to me, visit your website www.ghpage.com. From Egypt, over to me, from MC General. How are you guys?